Excel Villas Abuja, your ultimate destination for prime real estate. Have you ever dreamed of owning a property in the heart of Nigeria's vibrant capital, Abuja? Your dream can now become a reality with Excel Villas Abuja, a premier real estate opportunity in the prestigious Sabon Lugbe area. Let's explore why Excel Villas Abuja is the perfect choice for your next property investment. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more real estate listings. Discover Excel Villas Abuja. Location: Sabon Lugbe. Abuja. Price: 8 million naira per 500 square meters. Site inspection: visit us at 2 Agadez Street, off Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja. Why choose Excel Villas Abuja? 1. Prime location. Excel Villas Abuja is strategically located in Sabon Lugbe, one of Abuja's most sought-after areas. This prime location ensures not only convenience, but also a promising future value for your investment. The Sabon Lugbe area is known for its rapid development and close proximity to essential facilities, making it an ideal choice for both residential and investment purposes. 2. Spacious plots. Each plot at Excel Villas Abuja spans 500 square meters, offering you ample space to bring your dream home or investment property to life. Whether you're planning to build a luxurious residence or a profitable rental property, these generously sized plots provide the perfect foundation for your vision. 3. Proximity to amenities. One of the significant advantages of Excel Villas Abuja is its proximity to essential amenities. Living in Sabon Lugbe means you're just a stone's throw away from top-tier schools, modern shopping centers, the airport, and other critical facilities. This convenience enhances the quality of life and adds immense value to your property. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more real estate listings. Schedule a site visit today. Ready to take the next step towards securing your dream property in Abuja? We invite you to schedule a site visit and experience the potential of Excel Villas Abuja firsthand. Our site inspections are available every day from Monday to Saturday at 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Visit us at 2 Agadez Street, off Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja, and let us show you why Excel Villas Abuja is the best choice for your real estate investment.
Hello, smart investor around the globe. This is Excel Villa Abuja. Excel Villa Abuja is located at the Lugbe axis of Abuja. It's just about 10 minutes drive to the Abuja International Airport, 7 minutes drive to Glory Dome, the Dunamis International Gospel Center, and 10 minutes drive to Lugbo ShopRite. What are you still waiting for? Excel Villa is just a land, it's a flat land. Can you show them around? It's a flat land that is just going for 8 million naira. 8 million naira for what? 8 million naira for 500 square meter. As you can see, the land is flat and we have started our fencing. Show them around. Started our fencing. It's a built up place already. Show them this place. So what are you still waiting for? Why not come and invest now? Why not come and purchase your own land now? Now it's better than later. Very soon you know how land is purchased in Abuja. Very soon this land will still appreciate. So I beseech you to come and invest now. God bless you. Thanks.
Contact us by WhatsApp and our website in the description below. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of Abuja's thriving real estate landscape. Contact us now to learn more about Excel Villas Abuja and to schedule your site visit. Our team at PWAN Royale is dedicated to providing you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. About PWAN Royale. PWAN Royale Investments Developments Ltd is committed to ensuring your royalty is assured. With a reputation for delivering exceptional real estate projects, we provide you with the highest level of service and expertise. Trust us to guide you through the process of acquiring your dream property at Excel Villas Abuja. Excel Villas Abuja offers an unmatched opportunity to invest in prime real estate in one of Nigeria's most dynamic cities, With spacious plots, a prime location, and proximity to essential amenities, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to invest in Abuja's flourishing property market. Don't wait. Contact us today to secure your future at Excel Villas Abuja. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more real estate listings.